μπήκαμε στην πλατφόρμα του GEO-Academy. Το βασικότερο είναι...
We're here in Cyprus for a conference in the European University of Cyprus, and we have gathered many teachers implementing Geo-Academy activities over the last 2 years. And they're presenting their... We are gathered here with teachers implementing Geo-Academy activities in their schools, and they're presenting all their work through posters.
We're very happy to be here in Cyprus today, attending the teachers' conference, where we have announced the kickoff of the first pan-European school map storytelling competition in the framework of the Geo-Academy project. The competition calls educators throughout Europe and students to identify one topic that relates their school with the sustainable development goals, and we ask them to creatively make digital stories and story maps while exploiting all the digital tools and courses we have developed jointly with every partner of the Geo-Academy in the Geo-Academy project. And we invite everybody to participate. We are waiting for you.
Okay, so hello from Cyprus. This is Luca. Today we have a conference for teachers for the Geo-Academy program. More than 65 teachers participate in this conference. We already talked about the Geo-Academy. I presented an overview of the Geo-Academy at the pedagogical approach that we are using at the Academy, and also the GeoObserve portal, where we host all the tools and all the materials for teachers. And right now, everybody is preparing to go into workshops in various domains delivered by partners in the project for teachers to try hands-on approaches that we offer in Geo-Academy.